Indian butter chicken is one of my favorite Indian dishes to prepare. It has a delicious concoction of spices, and we're going to pair it with coconut milk basmati rice. Let's start marinating the chicken. Add the yogurt. Ground cumin. Ground coriander. And garam masala. This is the most important spice because it will give our Indian butter chicken full-bodied flavor. Mix everything together. Cover it with cling wrap. Marinate this in the fridge for 2 hours or overnight is better to absorb delicious flavor of the spices. Once the chicken is done marinating, let's start preparing the basmati rice. Add the water to the rice. Using your hands, gently swish the grains to remove excess starch. Removing excess starch will make your basmati rice light and fluffy. And soak it for 30 minutes. Drain the rice. Repeat it again. Add the water to the rice. And soak it for another 30 minutes. Drain the rice again. Add the rice to the pot. Add a coconut milk. Water. Season it with salt. Mix it. Turn on to low heat and simmer it gently. It will take about 10 to 12 minutes. Let's check our rice. Smells coconut. My rice is already cooked. Now if your rice is still firm, you can add a bit of water and cook it for a few minutes. Now I'm going to turn off the heat and I'm going to set it aside. Now it's time to cook our Indian butter chicken. Turn on the heat to medium. Add the olive oil. Butter. Okay, melt the butter. Add the garlic. Onions. Grated ginger. And you saute it for about 3 minutes. Smells really good. Okay, my onions are softened. I'm going to add ground cumin, ground coriander, and garam masala. So I'm just going to stir fry my spices just for a few seconds to release the aroma flavor. Okay, I can smell all the spices here. It's really, really good. I'm going to add a tomato paste. It's going to add color to my dish. I'm going to lower the heat. I don't want to burn my spices. Okay, just gonna put this on one side. This is the chicken that we marinated. I drained the excess liquid a while ago. So I'm going to add it to the pan. Gonna increase the heat to medium again. Season the chicken with salt. And a bit of pepper. And you mix it. And you stir fry the chicken for about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to lower the heat. I'm going to add the tomato puree. I'm going to add fresh cinnamon sticks. I like using cinnamon sticks because the flavor can really last longer. So you just put it in. And simmer it for 5 minutes. Now it's time to add the coconut milk. Always try to use the fresh coconut milk because it has a natural nutty flavor. Mix it well. Add some chopped coriander. Mix it again. And simmer it for another 5 minutes. Season it with salt. And just a little bit of pepper. Give it a good stir. My chicken is already cooked. Turn off the heat. Transfer the coconut milk basmati rice and Indian butter chicken to our serving bowls. Now for the rice, you have to fluff it up. Okay. I want to show you how fluffy and light our basmati rice is. Okay. Just I can really smell the coconut milk. our Indian butter chicken. Okay, garnish the rice with some fresh coriander. Okay, and we're going to serve it with fresh yogurt and add some cumin. And some fresh coriander as well on top of our Indian butter chicken. Okay, here's our Indian butter chicken, coconut milk basmati rice, and plain yogurt to add freshness. Now let's try it. I'm gonna get the rice. I'm gonna put more rice because I love eating rice. Pour the sauce all over the rice. Add the chicken. Add some yogurt. The yogurt will add freshness and it will balance out the richness of the dish. So in every bite, you have to put yogurt as well. Okay. It's really, really good. It has a perfect combination of the spices. It's creamy, buttery. This dish has a delicious aroma. Everything is just so good.